Day 127. God is the source. From Him and through Him and to Him are all things. Romans 11:36. Hear the word of the Lord to you in this hour. I am your source. People are not your source. Temporary provisions are not your source. Your own abilities for discipline, insight, or performance are not your source. I am. You were never created to draw life from people, only to share life with them. When you attempt to make people your source, love becomes distorted, toxic, and affections move out of order. This is why I am severing you from inordinate attachments. This is why I am cutting off dependence on the approval of others. This is why I am dismantling the fear of man. Not because people do not matter, but because they matter too much, and therefore they are misused. I am teaching you how to live from the inside out. Life flowing from me into you. Love, wisdom, protection, provision, flowing from me to you. No longer begged for, no longer bartered for, simply received. When I am your source, you are finally free to love people without needing them. Come back into my order. I will meet every need I placed within you. Come into the wine press with me, and let me put love in right order.